Hello everyone. In this lecture, you will learn how to create a featured game response class. Okay, so let's open Android Studio. Go to App, then go to Java. Under your package name, as you know, we have a response directory. Select on it, then right click on it and go to New. Then select Java class. And you have to name your response class. As you know, we are working on featured games. So let's name it featured games response. Okay. As I have already told you that it is totally up to you. You can give any name to your class too. Okay. So now let's press enter. Our class has been ready. Now you have also implement a serializable here. Press implement serializable. Okay. Now as you can see, we have response in three response. First one status code, second is type, and third one is gamehubs. Okay. Now we have to make the variables copy, status code copy. Now again use the serialized name, just there. Make a private string status code and it is done. Again create a second one and now copy the type. Okay, it has been done. Now make a private string again type. Now as you know, it is not a string, it is an array. So we have to pass our list in which we have created in our previous video. It is here, featured game list, right? So we have to pass it here. So let's do like this, serialized name, and copy this one, game hubs. Okay. Now make a private list. After typing the list, press enter. Okay, do not forget it. Now use greater than less than, and inside this type your this class name featured game list. Okay, and now you have to create a variable. You can give any name to it. Let's name it featured game list. Okay, now you have to create a getter for all these variables. So how you could that? Just press alt plus insert key, then select constructor, sorry, setter, getter. You not need to create a constructor because we already created it in our previous video in the featured game list, right? So we have to need only getter. Select this one and press enter. Then you have to select all these values by pressing shift plus arrow key down. Okay, now press ok. As you can see, it is ready now. It is well working. Okay. Warnings is showing because these are unused resources. Okay, so do not worry. And this video has been completed. I will meet you in the next video.